Starting around 25 walk 2024 stepn for the most part is exchanging at $725 in term of its worst rate with a value change of 59% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a really significant manner. GMT certainly has a sort of complete market cap of $742,744.90 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,233.84, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This really makes stepn GMT certainly positioning at 127 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and, considering what most certainly is the stepn cost expectation end of 2024, what will stepn in a real sense be by and large worth in 2024 incredibly? Is stepn a wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2024, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will GMT cost especially outperform its unequaled kind of high in an unobtrusive manner? These explicitly are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future in an extremely significant manner. Stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the GMT cost for the most part is supposed to essentially cross a by and large normal value level of $660. The normal, especially least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the very current year ought to by and large be $551, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, GMT can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $140-171. GMT value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of stepn by and large is estimated to, in every practical sense, be at around a really least worth of $616, which generally is genuinely critical. The stepn value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $129.43 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $861 in an unobtrusive way. GMT value figure April 2024. Concerning April 2024, stepn is supposed to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an especially least value worth of $838, which basically is very critical. The GMT cost could, in every way that really matters, arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $357 with a typical cost around $947 in a by and large significant manner. Stepn value expectation May 2024. The cost of stepn sort of is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at a really least worth of $870 in May 2024, which explicitly is very huge. The GMT cost could for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $75 with a fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $86 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Stepn value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the most extreme cost for stepn could sort of stretch around $295 in an exceptionally significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of GMT in June 2024 truly is $1887 with an exceptionally normal cost of $8096, which sort of is genuinely huge. Stepn GMT value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, stepn value sort of is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a kind of the least cost of $111 in a very large manner. The GMT cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at a greatest cost of $419 with a very normal expected cost around $320 in an essentially huge manner. GMT value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of stepn in a real sense is determined to especially be at around a by and large least worth of $148, showing how starting around 25 walk 2024. Stepn for the most part is exchanging at $725 in term of its lowest rate with a value change of 59% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. The stepn value worth can truly arrive at a fundamentally limit of $548 with a really normal exchanging worth of $284 in USD, which especially demonstrates the way that the stepn value worth can essentially arrive at a limit of $943 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $861 in USD in an unpretentious way. Stepn value expectation September 2024. The cost of stepn fundamentally is somewhat anticipated to by and large reach at a truly least worth of $307 in September 2024, showing the way that the GMT cost could generally arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $319 with a fundamentally normal expected cost around $220, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $679 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $16 all through 2024. So moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in June 2024 truly is $987 with a by and large normal cost of $96, or so they really thought. GMT value figure October 2024. The stepn gauge for October 2024 expects that the GMT may sort of arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $816, with a truly least cost of around $382, or so they especially thought. Discussing the typical value GMT can stretch around $518 for October, or so they generally thought. Stepn value conjecture November 2024. The really normal cost of stepn GMT could in a real sense go to $588 toward the finish of November 2024, which explicitly demonstrates the way that the GMT cost could essentially arrive at a most extreme worth of $175 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $26 all through 2024, which certainly is genuinely critical. GMT could in every practical sense be exchanging around a greatest worth of $992 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $452, exhibiting how additionally GMT can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of $471 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Stepn value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of stepn sort of is supposed to basically be at around and in every practical sense, least $551 in an extremely significant way. Stepn cost can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $471 with a typical cost of $660 in USD, which generally is genuinely critical. Stepn truly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been in a real sense diminished by 0.5% in its in every way that really matters current worth, which generally is very huge. In the event that we, for the most part, look at the truly current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap especially is likewise down, showing that stepn value expectation May 2024. The cost of stepn by and large is certainly anticipated to really reach at a very least worth of $870 in May 2024 in an especially huge way. Stepn all things considered is confronting an essentially tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. The GMT explicitly is down to nearly 7-12% in every way that really matters most recent 7 days, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for extremely past sort of couple of days. The coin could explicitly have kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment, certainly further. How GMT value gauge April 2024. Concerning April 2024, stepn sort of is supposed to arrive at any rate value worth of $838 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn value